In this video, I'll show you how you can use FreeCam in Roblox. Now, as you can see, this is my normal camera, but if I press in here and I go to settings, make sure my shift lock is off, and I press shift P, my camera will now go into free mode. Now keep in mind, this only works if you have the developer access. So that means either you're the developer or someone gave you the permissions. Now, how this works is you can move down with W, A, S, and D. And if I jump, as you can see, my character stands still. If I hold down my right button on my mouse, you can see I can move my screen. I can press Q and E to go up and down. I can zoom in with my mouse button, my mouse wheel. And if I use my arrow keys up and down, I can make how fast this is. So if I tap down a lot, you'll see it's gonna go much slower. And if I tap up now, you'll see it's gonna go much faster. So that's basically how the FreeCam works in Roblox. Now, as I said before, you need developer tools, or you need someone to give you the developer permission to do this FreeCam. Now, I really hope this short video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.